The RiderMetrics calendar shows all activities in a blue hyperlink. Click on any activity and the graph page will be shown with details for that ride. The graph page shows 5 different data elements. Clockwise from the top left, these are the map view, data graph, power profile, sectors table and summary table. In the Google Map view, you can move or zoom in or out using the mouse or trackpad, or move the map. The upper right data graph has many functions within RiderMetrics. Click and drag to select a portion of the ride to review. The selection will then be highlighted on the map view in blue. A summary of the selected interval is displayed in the summary table. To zoom in on a section for more detail, either double-click on the selected section or make the selection while holding down the Alt key. This will zoom the data graph and map view to the selection, with the map showing the selection in blue. In addition, the RiderMetrics summary table will be updated to show analysis on the selected interval. To zoom back out, double-click anywhere inside the data graph. The power profile graph shows your 6-week peak power values in green, overlaid with this session's peak power in purple for the different time intervals. Called out on the graph are some critical time intervals. The picker is hovering over the 3-minute peak power and the power values are shown in the box. If I click, RiderMetrics will then show today's peak on the data graph and map view. When you click and move the mouse cursor in the power profile graph, the point in the ride is dynamically selected and the summary table computed for that interval. You can use the command button and click and drag to scroll through the data graph. To zoom back out, simply double-click. The RiderMetrics interactive buttons below the data graph can turn on or off the data if desired. Another way to zoom into a section of interest is to have a sector for a specific route defined. Shown here is a sector called Figure 8. Sectors are known routes identified from a previous ride, or during this ride, and are automatically identified when you re-ride the sector. This is done by using the GPS data collected by your bike computer. Once identified, simply click on the sector's name in the sectors table, and that section of the ride will be selected. The summary table will also be filled with values for the selected sector. For more information, see the RiderMetrics video on creating and using sectors.